How to start a ghost commerce side hustle. Hi, this is Erik Burton from ideasforAsidehustle.com. As you can see, the biggest question most people have is, what is ghost commerce? Well, they've successfully launched this side hustle, which is a ghost commerce business, and it's identifying a market niche that aligns with interests that have potential for demand. Conducting spot-on market research is essential to understand your audience and the products that will resonate with them. So if you're starting any type of website membership or anything to do with e-commerce that you want to promote products and or services, these ghost sites are going to help you understand what is working and what is not. Working with a reliable business. When starting a ghost commerce side hustle, you must partner with a business that's both dependable and aligns with your values. This ensures a stable foundation for an online venture such as this. Customer research is huge. Deep customer research is your starting block to click and kick off your ghost commerce journey. This involves revealing your potential customers by identifying the target audience, understanding customer needs, and analyzing your competitors. This is what a lot of people do with the e-commerce platform itself. And the web commerce at TheEcomStore, click in the link in the description below for this article, and you can click on that link and you'll learn more about how to evaluate different business models and adapt to the ones that reflect your brand and your audience preferences. Now, resource tools, e-commerce platforms like the TheEcomStore, or creating your own e-commerce platform. In my platform, where I help you build a website, click on the link in the description below. And then you need marketing tools, which implement software for email marketing, social media management, and search engine optimization as well. Sometimes people think that email marketing is too difficult, but really if you're collecting an email when somebody makes a purchase, a lot of times you're going to get somebody to repurchase more products and or services from you. Analytics and the dashboards for these analytics, you need tracking progress that make data-driven decisions using comprehensive analytic tools. And that's one of the things you get with the e-commerce store, is that it helps you to track which products and or services that you want to promote heavily in your promotion efforts versus the ones that probably aren't being promoted as well or aren't selling as well. Best commission rates. Well, venturing into a ghost commerce side hustle, selecting products and or services that offer the best or highest rate of commissions, that means marginal. Marginals mean that what it costs you versus what you're making profit on and how much it costs you to promote to get to that point. Okay, so say for instance it costs you $1 and all of your expenses are costing you 50 cents, including the cost of the product and or services. Now, if it's a digital product, you don't have to reproduce those over and over physically. They're in the digital online space, if you will, like an ebook or a course or that type of thing. And if you do have those type of things, then it's really not going to cost you for that product itself. You just have to make it one time and probably perfect it as much as you can. Maybe add to it a little bit over time, but otherwise it's not going to cost you that much. So if you are charging $1 and everything, including the cost and or promoting that for that product or the sale of that product costs you 50 cents, well, then you're making 50% on your money. You're making 50 cents for every dollar product that you sell. Standard commission rates. Traditionally, commission rates can vary extensively across many industries, but you will find the digital products often provide higher rates, just like I explained. And you can see that here with digital products, ebook courses, software, stock photography, if you're interested in that. Physical products, consumer goods are a lot lower margins. meaning that you're going to make maybe between 10 to 20% max on those margins. Sometimes consumer goods are 5 to 20%, but as you can see here with the digital space, 40 to 70+% is your margins for profit there. So building the online brand that you're looking for, that's huge. Define your brand values, design your brand aesthetics, craft your brand voice, branding messages, developing a social media presence, invest in a professional website. And I am actually offering a website basically for free. I can build it for you. It's a 1-page or a 2-page website. Click on the link in the description below to get more information. But if you're interested in building an e-commerce site, which basically they call a ghost commerce side hustle. And side hustle basically means that you're doing this as a part-time position for a while. I'm not sitting here saying that you need to quit your job today, but sometimes people do that. They quit their jobs and all of a sudden they're in this full-time, and it also becomes a new job for them. You don't really want that, but a side hustle really relates to something that you can do part-time on the side, maybe 30 minutes to an hour a day, 5 days a week once you get off of work, and build it up over time. So click on the link in the description below and check out how to start a ghost commerce side business.